Hey y'all! Today we're diving into the vibrant world of Jamaican nicknames. Trust me, you won't believe some of these. Jamaica is known for its beautiful beaches, reggae music, and incredible people. They have the best nicknames. Get ready to laugh, learn, and maybe adopt a Jamaican nickname or two. You know you want to. First up, we got Biga. Now this ain't just about physical size, y'all. It's about that larger-than-life personality, that infectious energy. You know the type, right? They walk in and boom, the whole place lights up. Biga could be the life of the party, the wise one in the group, or the one everyone relies on. It's a term of endearment saying, "You, my friend, are one of a kind." Now let's talk Shorty. Don't let the name fool you because these folks might be small in stature, but they're mighty in spirit. They're like little bundles of energy and personality, always zipping around, getting things done. And let me tell you, what they lack in height, they more than make up for in heart and determination. Never underestimate a shorty, y'all. Next up is Smiley, and I bet you can guess what this one's about. They light up every room with their infectious grins. They're like walking rays of sunshine. You know that feeling when you see a puppy? That's what it's like being around a Smiley. They just make you happy. Chapter 4. Tomman. Reaching for the sky. Now we're talking Tomman. This one's pretty self-explanatory, right? We're talking about those who tower over everyone else. They're the ones you can always spot in a crowd, who can reach the top shelf for you, and see over everyone's heads at a concert. Every cloud has a silver lining, right? Chapter 5. Reds, a touch of spice. Hold on, y'all. We're diving into nicknames based on appearance. First up, Reds. This doesn't always mean bright red hair, though it could. In Jamaica, Reds often describe someone with a lighter skin tone, maybe a reddish undertone. It's just a way to describe someone's unique look. Chapter 6. Blacks, strong and beautiful. On the flip side, we have blacks, which, you guessed it, is used to describe someone with a darker complexion. Again, it's not meant to be offensive, just a descriptive term. And let's be real, folks, melanin is magic. Blacks is a celebration of that rich, beautiful skin tone. Chapter 7. Whitey, fair as a summer day. Then there's Whitey, which is used to describe someone with very light skin or hair. Maybe they're a blonde bombshell, or maybe they just have that porcelain skin that never seems to tan. Whatever the case, Whitey is just another way of acknowledging someone's unique features. Chapter 8. Slaz, lean and mean. Alright, back to body types. Next up is Slaz, which is pretty self-explanatory. We're talking about those slender, graceful folks who seem to glide through life. They're the ones who can eat whatever they want without gaining weight, the ones who always look effortlessly chic. Lucky ducks. Chapter 9. Fatty, full of love, and maybe a little extra. On the other end of the spectrum, we have fatty. In Jamaica, it's often used in a more affectionate, playful way. It's not meant to be hurtful, just a way of acknowledging someone's fuller figure. And let's be real, folks, curves are beautiful. Chapter 10. Browning, a blend of beauty. Next up we have browning, which is used to describe someone with a beautiful brown complexion. It's a celebration of that warm, sun-kissed glow that just radiates warmth and beauty. Think of it like the perfect cup of coffee. Rich, aromatic, and absolutely delicious. Chapter 11. Rosta, one love, one heart. Now let's talk about Rosta. This nickname is often given to someone who follows the Rastafarian faith, a beautiful and spiritual way of life that originated in Jamaica. You might recognize Rastas by their dreadlocks, their love of reggae music, and their commitment to peace and unity. One love, one heart, y'all. Chapter 12. Galis, the smooth operator. Hold on to your hats, ladies, because we're about to talk about Galis. This is the Jamaican term for a ladies' man, a smooth operator who always seems to have the ladies swooning. They're charming, charismatic, and they know how to turn on the charm. Just be careful not to fall too hard, ladies. Next up is madman, which describes someone a little eccentric, a little wild, a little bit, well, mad. but in a good way. They keep things interesting, aren't afraid to be themselves, and march to their own drum. The world needs more of that. Now let's talk about Coolie. This nickname is given to someone of Indian descent, a nod to Jamaica's rich and diverse cultural heritage. Jamaica is a melting pot of cultures, and Coolie is just one example of how those different influences have shaped the island's unique identity. Last but not least, we have Yankee. Now this one's pretty straightforward. It's used to describe someone who has spent time in the United States or who has an American accent. Maybe they studied abroad or have family in the States or just love American culture. Yankee is a term of endearment, acknowledging the special connection between Jamaica and the United States. Thanks for watching, y'all. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Nicknames are all about love and laughter. They're a way of showing affection and of bringing people together. So go out there, spread some joy, and embrace your inner Biga or Shorty.